Hi, my name is Esther Jane Wandasson. I am a meteorologist. A meteorologist studies the weather and predicts what the weather is going to be. Today we are talking about hurricanes. Hurricanes form over warm ocean water like Virginia Beach's Atlantic Ocean. There will be heavy rains, powerful winds, and it can be hundreds of miles wide. Storm surges can cause flooding. Flooding happens when there is too much rain and the water rises. The eye is the center of the hurricane. The eye is the calmest part of the storm. Here are pictures of a hurricane I found in my book. Right here and here. I hope you learned a lot about hurricanes, and I hope you liked it. Thank you.